Okay, so tips. So tips für Vorstellungsgespräch. Vorstellungsgespräch. Tips für erfolgreich, successful. So here some tips that we have read, some tips for the successful interview. So number 1, nicht zu spät kommen. Don't be late. If you are going for the interview, don't get late. Be on time. Pünktlich sein. Pünktlich sein. Pünktlich sein. Okay, dann auf die Körpersprache achten. Sprache achten. Pay attention to the body language. Wissen über die Firma. Informieren Sie sich über die Wege und die Zeiten. Inform well about the way and the timings so that you don't get delay. And seien Sie nicht nervös. Don't get nervous. Zeigen Sie Ihr Interesse und Aufmerksamkeit. Show your interest and attention, that you are attentive. Don't be lazy, don't be so relaxed that you are sitting in the chair. Interviewer is asking you and you are sitting very relaxed. So this is a very negative thing. So these things are very, very important. Yes.
Seien Sie nicht nervös. Seien means?
Seien, it's imperative. Seien, don't be. Be. Seien means to be. It's imperative. Sein verb. Das verb is, this is sein verb. Imperative form. So don't be nervous. Zeigen Sie, show your interest and your attention that really you are interested.
और इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, Sie nicht nervös sein.
हाँ, yes, beim Vorstellungsgespräch. Machen Sie Notizen während des Gesprächs. So you can make notes, you can make important points that we have seen during the conversations. It shows that you are interested and you are very structured employee, structured, a very structured, very organized employee for the company. So these points are very, very important, which is given in the book. But if you really follow these things in actual interview, so definitely you will get success and you will get the job. So these are very common things, but people forget and they ignore. But these things are important. So now you will do Zusammenfassung. You will write a paragraph using these points. If you want, I can send you the screenshot, or then you can write.